Greetings, friends. Do you know who has conducted the first surgery in world history? Do you know who is the father, or should I say inventor, creator of surgical science? Prepare yourselves for a journey beyond scalpels and sutures into the very fabric of medical brilliance that predates Galen and Hippocrates by centuries. Today we descend into the fascinating depths of ancient Indian medical history, specifically the mind-bending surgical innovations of the legendary Sushruta. Welcome back to the Knowledge Bank, the hub of wisdom where we unravel the mysteries of the past to understand our present. I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. This is the first ever written surgical science book, 600 BCE, by Sushruta, named Sushruta Samhita. The text in its current form contains details of around 11 to 20 medical conditions, 700 medicinal plants, 400 surgeries and 21 surgical instruments. Meet Sushruta, the scalpel-wielding sage. Forget your preconceived notions of primitive medicine. Sushruta wasn't some caveman hacking away with a flint. He was a surgeon extraordinaire, meticulously documented in the 6th century BC Sushruta Samhita. At a time of non-existent biochemical or imaging equipment, Sushruta and his students carried out complicated surgeries like cataract extraction and removal of urinary stones, ashmari. During the procedure, they advocated medicated wine for anesthesia and laid stress on sterilizing the operation room by fumigating it with fumes of mustard, butter and salt. Beyond bandages, unveiling surgical process. Let's dissect some of Sushruta's mind-boggling feats. Rhinoplasty. Not just vanity, folks. Sushruta reconstructed damaged noses using skin flaps from the forehead or cheek, a feat that would make Hollywood plastic surgeons blush. Cataract surgery, no fancy lasers here. Sushruta employed a needle to extract the cloudy lens, a technique shockingly similar to modern methods. Amputation. When limbs were beyond saving, Sushruta advocated for clean amputations to prevent infection. He even described rudimentary prostheses made of wood or leather. Lithotomy, bladder stones, ouch! Sushruta developed a minimally invasive approach, minimizing trauma and scarring. Talk about surgical finesse. Ethical scalpel, Sushruta's guiding principles. Sushruta wasn't just a technical badass, he was a philosophical pioneer. His text emphasized informed consent, patient confidentiality, and even avoiding surgery on vulnerable groups like pregnant women or the gravely ill. These ethical considerations were centuries ahead of their time and still resonate with modern medical practice. The colonial connection, unraveling the stolen wisdom. Now here's where the plot thickens. During the colonial era, foreigners laid their eyes on the Sushruta Samhita and numerous other invaluable texts. They recognized the groundbreaking advancements in surgery and decided to claim it as their own. From antiquity to legacy, unearthing surgical genius. But how do we know this genius wasn't just ink on papyrus? Archaeological digs in India have unearthed surgical instruments eerily similar to those described in the Sushruta Samhita. What's more, ancient medical texts from America to China mention Sushruta with reverence, solidifying his global influence. The birth of modern surgical science. The Britishers, having adopted the wisdom of Sushruta Samhita, played a pivotal role in the evolution of modern surgical procedures. They not only incorporated these ancient techniques, but also took credit for the advancements, giving birth to what we know today as modern surgical science. Sushruta's echo, a medical marvel across time. Sushruta's impact wasn't confined to his era. His surgical techniques influenced medical practices for centuries, even shaping the development of Western medicine. Today, modern surgeons still acknowledge Sushruta's pioneering spirit and the foundation he laid for their field. So the next time you encounter a historical account of medical advancements, whisper the name Sushruta, the ancient Indian surgeon who dared to rewrite the surgical script. His legacy shines as a beacon of medical brilliance, proving that even in the distant past, the human spirit could dissect reality and stitch together a healthier future. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening expedition into the history of surgery. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more intriguing insights, and ring the bell to stay updated. Share this video with your history-loving comrades. Please comment below which other ancient medical mysteries pique your curiosity. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating realms of knowledge with the Knowledge Bank. Stay curious,